Hello and welcome to this week's Screencast for November 2nd through the 6th. There are a few different topics coming up this week. Certainly, it goes as no surprise to see that the big topic of the week, it won't necessarily be for our class, but it will be all about social studies and learning maybe a little bit more about what's going to happen on Tuesday with our presidential election. I've been watching lots of newscasts and updates and reports and debates, and just like all of us, I'm not sure it'll come down to Arizona or Pennsylvania, but I'm sure we'll all be tuning in on Tuesday, hoping to get a glimpse at what the outcome will bring. So hopefully you'll be able to enjoy that and talk with your teachers on the upcoming days. Speaking of student elections, we are going to have to do a re-vote in class this week. So stay tuned with your teachers. They're going to send you out the most recent update. There was a error with the data collection. So just like in the real world, when there are issues, just like way back when with the Gore Bush presidential vote, there was some issues and there was collecting data. So it's got to be done the right way. So there was an error, and we want to make sure that all students across Sweet Home are able to vote for the class government president, vice president, and freshman senators. So more to come on that. However, in week 9, you'll see if we click right into that, you'll see that there are two different self-paced videos. One is on the Neolithic agricultural revolution, and the second is on civilization. Both of them are pretty straightforward and fairly simple. They are crash course videos. This will probably be the first time you've seen a crash course video, but your host, John Green, does a really great job going through, and sometimes a fast-paced lesson, so you're going to want to press pause when necessary. We've tried to create these videos that have questions along the way, so it kind of just pauses things. In one of the first ed puzzles that you'll watch this week, the agricultural revolution, it's actually the first episode that John Green did for Crash Course, and he's a famous author. Some of you may have seen or read some of his books that have been turned into movies, so he's pretty popular in culture today. But the first question, for example, is just asking us about whether or not it only took 15,000 years for us to progress from hunter-gatherers into full-fledged farmers. So why do you think that people have made this change? And of course, the answer is probably something along the lines of to have a reliable, sustained food source. Whether or not that's really a great idea is for us to decide. This week we'll be talking about the miracle or mistake of agriculture. I hope this screencast helped, and we'll see you in class.